A data set is shown on a semi-log plot with a vertical axis scaled logarithmically. Okay, well, I don't see the semi-log plot. The points on this plot appear to demonstrate a consistent linear increase. Which of the following types would best represent the data set? Okay, well, I don't have a picture. I have a calculator, but I don't need it. If you have a semi-log plot, and I'm not even going to attempt to really draw this, but you might remember semi-log plots kind of start out here and then things kind of like, simplify or get closer to that, and then this happens, blah, 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 blah. Well, if on a semi-log plot you have dots going up and to the right, that does not indicate a linear equation because semi-log plots, their vertical axis are scaled logarithmically. So, and it says that right there. So this is not linear. What you have going on is exponential growth. Now, semi-log plots, when graphing linear-looking equations, give you either exponential growth or exponential decay. Why do I have growth? Well, this is going up and to the right. If these dots were going down and to the right, then you would have exponential decay. Okay? If these dots look like this, then we don't have exponential growth or exponential decay. And you're thinking, but it looks like exponential growth. I know, but if it's graphed on a semi-log plot, it's not because everything is scaled differently. So it's not quadratic. That's just a throw-in option that I gave you. But it's either going to be exponential or exponential. And in this case, it's exponential growth. So another one of those problems, that's a calculator section problem. Calculator wasn't necessary. We didn't even have a picture, but we didn't need one because my art did the job just fine. Hope this helps.